Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to your own channel Meedu Study. I am your friend Ashutosh from IIM Indore, and friends, in Meedu Study, as we all know, this is your own Dream IIM series of CAT 21 Dream IIM series, in which in 75 days and 75 videos we are becoming completely ready for CAT and doing all the topics. Friends, today's video is on VA. In VA there were 8 topics on basics, 3 on VA basics, 5 on grammar basics, and after that 10 videos are supposed to be on practice questions. Now we have already started practice questions. We have practiced synonym antonyms based question, fill in the blanks, and sentence correction. And today we will practice the next one, 12th video, close passage. So let us first understand what is this close passage. So in this type of question, let me tell you, a paragraph will be given, okay, and then the last part of that paragraph will be deleted, and then some options will be given. Now we have to find that option which correctly fits in that last part and completes the paragraph. While seeing this, we need to check few things. We need to check the option should be grammatically correct, it should convey the correct meaning, it should be in like sequence or logically coherent, everything should be there. That kind of statement we need to find. So we will practice some questions. What kind of questions can come in CAT? You can always expect at least 1 or 2 questions will come. Let us start. So see, this first question: another branch of the monsoon rushes into inverted L-shaped barricade formed by the Khasi hills of Meghalaya and the Arakan Yama range of Burma. So see, now see, after these 4 options are given, we need to find that option which will fit in this blank and it will give us the correct meaning. So first of all, here see the rule of parallelism. Okay, how? Here it is given rushes. So in the option also this same form should follow. Here it is climbs, climbing, climbing, and climbs. So these two are matching. Which are in climbing, these are not following the rule of parallelism. Okay, so B and C are ruled out. Now let us see option number A and D. What is the difference and how? Rushes, climbs. Now after that another verb is exploding and explodes. So in one exploding is there, here also it is different. So only option D is correct, in which climbs as well as explodes are in the same form in which verb in the first sentence is given. So use the rule of parallelism and option D is correct option which follows the same sequence. Let us move to the next one. Question number 2. The retina is the cinema screen at the back of your eyes where pictures from the outside world dash for the translation into images. So dash, okay. When we see this particular thing, if you read, there are differences in 2 options it is starting with are turned and into it is turning. Let us see which fits in the sentence. Retina is the cinema screen at the back of your eyes where pictures from the outside world turning into, see, this is not logical, this turning, it is not a continuous thing, so it should be are turned, but are turned is there in option B as well as C. Let us see what is the next difference. Are turned to electrical signals to be transmitted to your brain. So difference is here it is to be and here it is are. Now let us see which can be correct. Are turned into electrical signals to be transmitted into the brain. Into electrical signals are transmitted. This are is a wrong thing. So option number B is the correct. Are and are, this is a wrong usage. So option B is the correct for question number 2. Third one. Despite the claim made by the British that they imposed unity on what was nothing more than a geographical expression, it is often overlooked that within British India, okay, there were huge chunks of territory ruled by Indian princes. There are, so see, B is there are, sentence is in past tense, so this is ruled out. There have been, there had been huge chunks of territory ruled by Indian princesses where different administrative. So another difference is in option A and remaining options is held sway and held swayed. So in this we need to understand the difference between this sway and swayed. Okay, held sway suggests someone had power or control. So held sway basically means someone had power or control, and held swayed, this expression basically means they were unbalanced. So if we see the sentence formation, Held swayed is not correct because here we are talking about power and control. So options with held swayed, option C and D are also ruled out. So our only option that remains is option number A, which is the correct one. Let us move to the next question, question number 4. The sudden cloud burst inundated many roads, leading to traffic getting jammed and, okay, I was caught up badly I was caught up. Was I caught up in the downpour badly? I was badly caught up in the downpour. Okay, so with badly, caught up should be there. I was caught up, no, I was caught up badly, I was badly caught up, because here this caught up is qualifying this badly, so this should come after this. So depends basis the verb form which we have studied, verb and adverb. If you remember those particular slides in grammar, correct usage tells us that option number D is the correct one. Let us move to the next one, question number 5. It is in India's interest to ensure that Bangladesh does not become a failed state because the happening in Bangladesh, see, two options have the happening and two options have what happens. Now let us see what fits better. It is in India's interest to ensure that Bangladesh does not become a failed state because the happening, no, it should be what happens. So the options which does not have this are getting ruled out. Okay, this gets ruled out, this gets ruled out. What happens in Bangladesh has a direct impact over the security and stability. So one has impact over, one has impact on. So now within this, if we see, correct option is impact on. So let us just read the paragraph once. It is in India's interest to ensure that Bangladesh does not become a failed state because what happens in Bangladesh has a direct impact on the security and stability of India's eastern state. So for fifth, our option number C is the correct answer. Let us move to the next one, question number 6. Though the Prime Minister emphasized that India had enough political and social space for regional and sub-regional identities and culture, he also stressed, see, after he also stressed, directly you cannot have the, we require that in this case. Okay, so the options with the and the gets ruled out. Now option is between B and C, that the electoral route as the best way or was the best way. Now these are the two close options. Let us see, he also said the electrical route as the, no, was, because stressed is there, so past form of verb should come. So option C is correct. Let us read, though the Prime Minister emphasized that India had enough political and social space for regional and sub-regional identities and culture, he also stressed that the electoral route was the best way to build a platform for dialogue. Option C is the correct one. Let us move to the next one, 7th. Unbridled mining in the two neighboring states of Odisha and Jharkhand has resulted in deforestation. Okay. Now where is the differences? Difference is between the verbs, which has forced, which was forcing, which forces, and which forced. So let us understand the form of verb in the sentence. Has resulted. Okay, so see, again rule of parallelism, same tense form. Okay, same tense. In question it is has resulted, so in option also look for has forced, option A. So let us read, unbridled mining in the two states of Odisha and Jharkhand has resulted in deforestation, which has forced herds of elephants to go on ramping in various tribal districts of Chhattisgarh. Our option A is the correct one. Let us move to the next 8th question. Indian companies are world beaters that are increasingly active in overseas market. Okay, so when we say Indian companies, so pronoun, use of correct pronoun should be related to companies, so it cannot be there, it should be they. So this get rules out, this get ruled out. Let us see now between C and D what is the difference. There is no reason why they cannot compete in the same way on its and on their. So again it is not the correct one, it should be there and they. So let us read, Indian companies are the world beaters that are increasingly active in overseas market. There is no reason why they cannot compete in the same way on their own turf. Option number D is the correct one. Let us move to the 9th part. In a rare demonstration of middle class solidarity, many of Delhi's resident welfare associations, okay, got together opposing a hike together opposed, got together to oppose a hike, together opposing a hike. In power trip there is unanimity of refusing to pay, okay, the increase. So in this, what is the difference? The verb should be got together, meaning joined hands, because see, together is something else. Got together means joined hands, which is the essence of this sentence. So this gets ruled out, this gets ruled out. Now got together opposing a hike or to oppose a hike. Now if we compare these two, opposing a hike, to oppose, so in this correct option is to oppose, refusing to pay the increase. So correct options is another difference which you can see is unanimity in and unanimity of. So it is always unanimity in. 9th. Now let us move to the 10th part. On September 11, 2012, the world reached out to a stricken America unaware. Okay, the word prelude, in this there is a word known as prelude, which is the correct one. You cannot write preluding, because prelude is a noun and preluding is a verb. Here prelude in noun form is the correct sense. So this is wrong, this is wrong. Now let us see this one, that the US helplessness was a brief prelude to an era of power run mad. Of US helplessness being an era of power run mad. So C is a sentence which gives the complete sense. If you read this sentence, you can understand. On September 11, 2001, the world reached out to a stricken America unaware that the US helplessness was a brief prelude to an era of power run mad. Option C is the correct one. So friends, see, these were 10 examples. A very simple thing, just see for correct grammar, correct tenses, correct form, correct logical coherency, and you can solve this easy question, very easy. If it comes in CAT, definitely 2 to 3 questions will be there, go for them. In next, we will do one of the logical topics, which is roots and networks, interesting and easy to solve. If you have any confusion, my dear friends, in today's video, please write in the comment section or our mail ID meedu.study@gmail.com. We will definitely address it. If you are liking the content, please like our video, share and subscribe. Thank you friends, take care, have a good day.